Call of Duty Warzone, Lost Lion Cub Grave Digging Easter Egg Guide. Warzone is back and better than ever following the re-release of Verdansk, bringing classic action back to the popular Battle Royale title. Alongside a roster of modern warfare weapons, the current iteration of Warzone is successfully recapturing the nostalgic feel with even more content on the way. While players dropping into Verdansk may be focused on outlasting the competition and securing a victory royale, secret Easter eggs can also be completed. Some players may be chasing extra cash via the bank vault, but others can earn free loot by digging up a hidden grave. Here's how to complete the Lost Lion Cub Grave Digging Easter Egg on Verdansk in Warzone. Please excuse any mispronunciations by TTS, the English TTS has trouble with non-English words. But, if you watch Zentrita, you should be fine. Step 1. Where to find the Lost Lion Cub Shovel in Verdansk. Lost Lion Cub Shovel Location. 1. The first step of the Lost Lion Cub Easter egg is to locate a specific shovel. The Lost Lion Cub Shovel has 3 possible spawn locations on Verdansk, with only one appearing per match. The first location where it can potentially be found is inside a warehouse just south of the quarry. If players head to this spot and make their way up to the second level, they might find the shovel resting beside a taped-up red door. A subtle nod to the original red doors from Verdansk 84. Lost Lion Cub Shovel Location. 2. The second possible location where the Lost Lion Cub Shovel can be found is at the stadium. If players head to the main entrance on the southeast side, they may find the shovel resting to the left of the shutters, near a potential supply crate spawn. Lost Lion Cub Shovel Location. 3. The third and final location where players can potentially find the Lost Lion Cub Shovel is inside a plane bordering the airport point of interest, just east of the superstore. Once players locate the Lost Lion Cub Shovel, they can pick it up to secure it in their inventory. Like, subscribe, and comment any games you want to know more about. Help me build this channel, so I can afford an editor, and start making gameplay and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Please sub and like to support future content. Linktree in description to support social. Where to find the grave to complete the Lost Lion Cub Easter egg. Now that players have the Lost Lion Cub Shovel, they need to head to the graveyard located just southwest of the superstore. There, players must find a specific grave marked by a statue of a woman wearing a crown. Standing in front of the statue will trigger a prompt, which players can activate by pressing the Interact button. Doing so will dig up the grave, causing various items to spawn, including weapons and even free score streaks.